Happy Thursday night, my fellow West Coast Swing dancers. It is myself, the talented Miss Stephanie. We are at Nick's Nightclub, where we are here every Thursday for our weekly West Coast Swing classes / dance. This is something that I've used for a very long time. Love this sequence. Kind of a long sequence, but a good follow should make you look really good doing it. We'll break it down for you and then show you the full version after that. After the sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'm going to pull her in on 1, 2, stop her momentum from coming towards me. I'm going to turn and tap my left toe to my left. If she's mirroring me, she should come in and tap her right toe to her right. Okay? So the first part after the sugar here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm just going to step onto my left foot, which puts her onto her right foot. So it's a tap step, sugar push, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to go 1, 2, tap, step. Now from there, we're going to go in the other direction so you can see that next part. So after the sugar push, and you're not going to see this tap step from this view, but 1, 2, tap, step. I'm going to turn to my right and do a triple step. That turns her to her left, and we're going to go triple step. So the track is actually this way. We're going off the track for the next part. So that whole part, for adding that last triple, after 1, 2, tap step, is 1, 2, tap step. And I pull, using my left hand, pull her through because of what you're going to be doing next. So from this direction, sugar push. We're doing the tap step, 1, 2, tap, step, and I turn. I'm on my right, Stephanie's on the left, and we're traveling off the track. So then from there, let's do it this way because it's easier to see this part next. So after the sugar push, we're going to stop at that last triple. So 1, 2, tap, step, triple step, walk forward, and then I'm going to step on my right foot, turn her, and put my weight on my right foot, which makes her stop and land on her left foot. So it's a walk, then a turn step. So good connection, should work. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's 1, 2, tap, step, triple step, 1, 2. I'm on my right, she's on her left. So going side to side, possibly you may not see it, but maybe you will. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And I pick up her left hand with my right. So then from there, we're almost done. It's kind of a quick move, but it's a fun move. So after the sugar push, 3, 4, 5 and 6, we're going to stop that on an 8. Tap, step, triple step, turn, put my weight on my right, pick up her hand. I'm going to bring my left foot up and tap it to my right, which makes her do that. That's 9. This is 10. I step out to my left. She drags her left foot up to drag my right foot up for the 11 and 12. So harder to see if you can't do it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to drag 11 and 12. Drag and put your weight on your right foot. She drags, puts her weight on her left foot. Sequence is done. So you can slow that down however you wish to do it. It's a cool little 12 count move. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This other direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, and front to back, and we're done. Sugar push. 5 and 6, go 1, 2, tap, step. I go off the track, turn, tap, slide, get back on the track. So you're not off the track very long, because you put it right back on. That's a cool move, guys. Hope you like it. Haven't taught that in a while, so I sincerely hope you use it the next time you go dancing. Please remember to subscribe for a free video every week. We hope you like everything we show you. It's my passion, it's why I'm here. Until next time, have a great week. Have a great week. Keep dancing.